Big Papa's gonna cook sloppy joes. I love sloppy joes, but I'm cooking pork and bacon sloppy joes. I'm gonna start by browning some meat, onion, and pepper. We only need about a half a cup for this recipe, and I think that's about right there. I like peppers a lot. I don't like green bell peppers. The red bell peppers are kind of sweet and nice. I don't want it too fine. With this, I want them to be just nice size onion and pepper. I'm gonna do a package and a half. This is ground pork. It's very lean. It's still very juicy. And I'm gonna brown that, and then I'm gonna assemble all the ingredients in a crock pot. Okay, we got the skillet ready. We got it hot. We're gonna put a little peanut oil in there. That's probably about 3 tablespoons, 2 or 3 tablespoons. It's just enough to float around nicely. And we're gonna listen to the pan. When I put those peppers in, if it's yelling at me, it's too hot. That was like perfect. When you do these peppers and onions, you want to watch the onions. They start out very white colored, and then as it gets more heat, they get almost kind of like a cloudy window. And when they get that color, that's when they're done. And we're also going to come back and we're going to brown the meat. And what's kind of nice is the oil we're using will still be in here, and it will be infused with the peppers and the onion. So just got to get a little bowl for this, and I'll be perfect. My trusty slotted spoon. So the slotted spoon allows the oil to get out. Look at that. Now, I'm going to brown this meat. Some people season their meat while it's browning. I don't really need to season this. I've got so many seasonings that it's going to be stewed in because it's going to be slow cooked in a crock pot. So this will be about 5 minutes aside, and then I'm going to kind of chop it up in the pan to make sure I get an even cook throughout it. We're minutes away from liftoff here at Cape Papa. I'm breaking it up now. We're going to serve these sloppy joes today on a Hawaiian sweet bun. And I really like them. I think they go well with the sweet and savory nature of the sloppy joe. Let me show you something in here. You got on the overhead. When you cook a pound of hamburger meat and you finish browning it, like let's say you're making ground beef tacos, it's usually about a quarter of an inch, a half an inch of water that they've injected into the hamburger meat. Well, you've kind of paid for that because they sell it by the pound. I think it's pretty neat to look at this pan. This is pork too. How little fat's in that pan and how little water too. You're getting what you actually paid for. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this to a bowl. After I grind this to the consistency I want, then I'm gonna build it into a crock pot and show you just how easy it is. Okay, you witnessed me browning the peppers and onion and the ground pork. Now I'm gonna put it in here because I wanna get it to the right consistency. Because I think a sloppy joe should be really a fine grind. And I'm gonna hit pulse so it looks right. And I think that looks right. Got to be careful getting the blade out. Now, wouldn't that be good taco meat too? The ground pork is really every bit as versatile as the ground beef. Now it's time to assemble the sloppy joes. I'm gonna start with some of the liquid ingredients. Believe it or not, ketchup. I made this recipe, I tried it with tomato sauce, and really, it was better with ketchup. We just put the Smithfield bacon in there. We're gonna take the Hallelujah rub. We're gonna take this tomato paste. See, with gloves, you can do this. I am now the human spatula, right here. Okay, we got a little dried mustard. We got a little chili powder. We have a little Worcestershire. I want you to spell that for me. A little garlic. Okay, you can use diced fine garlic. So I can take this glove off, and now I can add brown sugar, and I can add Big Papa Smoker's Double Secret Steak Rub. I'm gonna add the onions and peppers. I'm gonna add a cup and a half of water, and I'm gonna mix it up. Okay, now let's add the browned ground pork. We're going to plug it in, cover it. We're gonna cook it for the first hour on high, then we're gonna drop it to low for about 2 hours. The bacon and pork sloppy joes are done. They've been in the crock pot about 4 hours. Watch this, I'm gonna torture people. They really should make a Febreze like that. Sloppy joes. You don't want to admit you like them. You're also the same kind of person who doesn't admit they like corn dogs or good chili dogs. So let's plate up some. Here we have our Smithfield ground pork and bacon sloppy joe.